free baby sign language lessons for parents who want fewer meltdowns and better communication with their baby. Did you know that your baby can communicate before they can talk? They can. A lot of parents don't realize that babies can learn to sign simple words like milk, eat, and all done long before they can actually say those words. Baby sign language helps reduce frustration, promotes early communication, and makes life so much easier for you and your little one. That's why I created free beginner lessons to help parents understand what baby sign language actually is, what signs to start with first, and how to teach baby sign language naturally through everyday routines. So if you want to start communicating with baby in a fun and simple way, come join us for a free lesson. See you on the inside.